Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just a quick one to introduce you to my new project and future daily driver, a 2003 Nissan Sentra SER Spec-V. The second car I ever purchased was a 2000 Sentra SE, and I've always wanted to get back into a Sentra from this generation, so here we are. Under the hood is a 2.5 liter QR25 4-cylinder producing 175 horsepower and is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, sending power to the wheels via a helical limited slip differential. This car in particular has 204,000 miles on it and is in pretty good condition for being over 20 years old, as you can see. I already have some progress to share, but you will have to wait for the next video to see what I've done. So keep an eye out on the channel for updates on this one. I have big plans and will definitely be sharing as much as I can along the way. I appreciate the interest and we'll catch you in the next one.